Do you want to discover why thousands of entrepreneurs, digital marketeers, local business owners, coaches and consultants just like you are switching to Kartra? The only all-in-one marketing platform that makes it ridiculously easy to scale your business fast. In this video, I want to show you firsthand how Kartra compares to ConvertKit. Kartra and ConvertKit are both powerful automation tools that send your emails and help you generate leads. But that's where the comparison ends. Because ConvertKit doesn't offer many of the vital features for running a business that Kartra does. And they're geared towards very small businesses that don't expect much growth. See how the two tools compare and find the one that works for your needs. Hi, if you're new to this channel and you want to discover everything about social media marketing, social media advertising and online sales funnels, then start now by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. The YouTube algorithm will help this channel keep providing you with a ton of valuable information. At first glance, Kartra and ConvertKit may look similar. Both are powerful automation tools that send your emails and help you generate leads. But that's where the comparison ends. Because while ConvertKit does email automation well, there's a lot more to run a successful business. ConvertKit doesn't offer help desk features, membership sites, built-in e-commerce, affiliate management, scheduling tools or video hosting, all of which are crucial to success. Their most advanced and expensive plan lacks some of the most important features for running a business, forcing users to fork or dial elsewhere and set up tricky integrations. Not to mention, ConvertKit is geared towards very small businesses with under 5,000 subscribers. This means that once you experience success, you'll have the headache of moving over to a new tool or forking out a lot of cash for their custom plans. If you're ready to get a solution that not only sends your emails but does everything else you need to run your business, then look no further than Kartra. Kartra takes care of emails, landing pages, customer support, affiliates, premium videos, membership sites, checkouts and a million other things. In fact, Kartra clients rave about how much money they save with Kartra because the huge feature list allows them to cancel all the other marketing tool subscriptions. In the subscription or comment section below, I will share a link with you where you can try Kartra for 14 days for just $1. If you have any hope of making money online, you're going to need to sell stuff. And to sell stuff, you need an e-commerce tool. But there's a small problem. ConvertKit doesn't include an e-commerce tool. You need to purchase a separate tool like Shopify or WooCommerce and set up tricky integrations just for this essential function. Kartra, however, comes with e-commerce built right in. They give you multiple payment options and price points to make it easier than ever for your customer to check out. To draw new customers in, Kartra empowers you to create coupons, trials and initial payments. In order to maximize each sale, Kartra allows you to create order bumps and one-click upsells with ease. And if someone abandons your cart during purchase, well, Kartra can tag them and automatically follow up, saving you the sale. It's no secret that video marketing is important to a business. After all, marketeers who use video grow revenue 49% faster than non-video users. So why would you want to waste your budget on a platform like ConvertKit, where you need to purchase a third-party plugin like Wistia or Vimeo to even add a basic video to your page? Kartra reliably hosts your video with a customizable player, complete with advanced in-video actions, so you can get more conversions, shares and sales. You can add compelling call to actions and opt-in forms at any point while the video is playing, as well as automatically tag viewers based on their behavior. Customer didn't watch the whole video? No problem. The tag will show you that and instantly activate automations, such as sending a follow-up email, entering your viewer into a special offer campaign, subscribing them to a list and more, giving you more chances to convert leads to customers. Membership sites aren't just a way to deliver content to your customers. They are one of the most reliable sources of steady passive income each month that a business owner can have. Yet ConvertKit doesn't even have membership site capabilities. In fact, you need to purchase an additional plugin like Memberful just to manage memberships and just pile it onto your increasingly heavy monthly bills. Kartra not only makes it easy for you to deliver and time release your valuable content, also called drip, to your customers, but they also offer a specific portal to manage and analyze your members and their behaviors. With Kartra's flexibility and simplicity, just imagine how quickly you can grow your business by offering your products in memberships. It costs 5 times as much to acquire a new customer than to retain an existing one. That's why customer service is vital to your business success. Except ConvertKit currently doesn't have a built-in help desk, meaning you need to purchase yet another third-party tool. Fortunately, with Kartra, their help desk is built right into their platform. This allows you to easily provide immediate customer support via live chat, and their built-in email reply system will make your customers feel heard and help them resolve issues as fast as humanly possible. If you're a consultant, coach, or just want to host live events, you need a simple and intuitive calendar tool where your customers can check, schedule and self-manage their appointments on their own. Except with ConvertKit, you need to purchase a separate calendar software in order to do this. But the hassle and the extra bill can be avoided with Kartra's built-in calendar functionality. This allows your clients to self-book and reschedule based on your availability, and even sends automated reminders so no appointment is ever forgotten. Moreover, since Kartra calendars and Kartra checkouts are part of the same family, you can charge for your sessions straight from in the calendar app, ensuring your time is always worth something. Imagine building an army of people that are enthusiastically promote your products on a daily basis and create a lasting impact on your overall sales. This is called affiliate marketing, and to convince people to sell your products, your affiliate process should be seamless and exciting. Unfortunately, ConvertKit ignores this massive important aspect of your business growth. Alternatively, Kartra comes with the built-in affiliate management, complete with questionnaires, automated payments, minimum sales requirements, and more. This ensures you're finding quality people for the job without spending extra time shuffling payments around. Are you interested in gaining residual income as well? Well, unlike ConvertKit, Kartra offers an awesome affiliate marketplace to find affiliates to sell your products and become one yourself. In the description or comment section below, I will share a link with you where you can try Kartra for 14 days for just $1. Now you ask yourself, all those features and Kartra saves you money? At first glance, ConvertKit looks like a steal. Only $25 per month. But that's only if you have under 100 subscribers, which is fine and well when you're starting out. But what if you grow? You'll very rapidly be bumped up to their higher price points. And that's before you even consider that ConvertKit is lacking about 6 critical tools, meaning you have to purchase them elsewhere and then configure complicated integrations. Let's do the math on those, shall we? An e-commerce platform, so you can actually sell your stuff, costs about $99 per month. Add an affiliate management software so you can have other people promoting you, and you need another $100 to $200 per month. How about membership sites or e-learning platforms? That's another $99 a month. If you want a professional video hosting platform, an account for Wistia will run you about $99 a month. The leading help desk platform will cost you $99 per month per agent. And if you want to schedule appointments, you need a calendar tool for another $15 a month. That's about $500 to $600 extra each month you need to pay for a full suite of business tools. Before you know it, that $25 quickly adds up to hundreds of dollars a month. Kartra, on the other hand, gives you all of the above features no matter the package you choose. With Kartra, you won't need to purchase other software or set up confusing connections to get started. Kartra programmers have done all the work for you, so everything is already integrated for you straight out of the box. Choosing Kartra is the right choice because their product comes packed with every tool you need to effortlessly run your online business. You know what they say, time is money, and Kartra saves you a lot of both. When you choose Kartra, you gain a family. They have an online community with 10,000 members and growing. So your questions will never go unanswered and you always receive the support you need. They also offer a robust marketplace community and a done-for-you campaign community where users can download funnels from fellow marketing experts on the platform. Why spend time on web development when that's not your forte? The best thing about Kartra is its simplicity. With their drag and drop features, your marketing campaigns will be created easily, look fantastic, and run themselves. From websites to email marketing, shopping cart technology, and more, Kartra truly is the first all-in-one online marketing platform. Kartra seamlessly integrates all the essential marketing tools your business needs in one super easy, radically affordable platform. Get ready to boost your bottom line from the very first login. Are you ready to join the Kartra revolution? In the description or comment section below, I will share a link with you where you can try Kartra for 14 days for just $1. Now, if you find this information valuable, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Now, my name is Gerby Bulow and I'm the founder of Social Media Gids. Now let's get started, get connected, get informed and get active.